Is it on? Okay. It's so bright you can't see what you're shooting here. You just point it in the general direction. Okay, this is the first time she's really riding the trike. With lots of room. We came over here to the basketball court. She was like, no, I don't want the helmet on.
Straighten it out. Go straight.
She's like, it's so bright. But it's hard for her to keep, you know, the wraparound sunglasses on for her hair. Keep going, baby Gil. Look, you got this big whole area now with nothing in your way.
Turn, baby.
She's got her I love my uncle shirt on.
You don't want to ride anymore?
Because she's on the pink trike from Uncle Jeffy.
The pups someone threw it down. They shouldn't have done that. They littered. Bad people, come here. No? Over here.
There you go. She was reversing pretty good on the back patio, but there's not a lot of room to. It's hard. You have to make more.
Very good at reversing.
Hairpin turns.
Go forward now, hon.
Or turn.
Turn. You gotta turn. Go.
There she goes. Okay, this is the first time she really pedaled and went any distance. Okay, don't go into the hole. Oh no. Of course, there's all this big area, and that's what's gonna happen.
I'll go over there.
All right. Yeah, she has the bell down. She was dinging and dinging that bell in the backyard. Sounds cute. How nice. What's this?
A gooseneck.
She told me that yesterday. She goes, Mama, what's this? And I said, I don't know, the handlebars. She said, it's a gooseneck. Oh, okay. She's got her Hello Kitty bike helmet on and her Hello Kitty jeans. You taking a break?
Come on, everyone.
Come on, everyone.
Papa's picking.
I'm climbing up the hill, she said. Come on, everyone.
Come on, Mama.
Okay, we don't want to go over there, hon. We don't want to get in the sprinklers. The park always looks so tiny when you drive by it, because there's all these hills where you can't see how far back it goes. Somebody left their shoe at the base of the tree in the mud.
Check it out.
Hi. Hi, pretty.
I'm gonna say hi, Grandma. Hi. Hi, Grandma. Hi.
Whoa. Aw.
I'm alright.
I'm alright, she said. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Up into the camera.
Hi, Grandma.
Say hi, Uncle Jeff.
Hi, Uncle Jeff.
Hi, Uncle Jeffy. Ow. Don't hit me with the stick, please. No. No, don't whip the stick this way.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Let's go back here to the forest.
Come back to the forest.
What?
Mhm.
You can't ride it.
Yeah, big roots, huh?
It's growing. We have some more. They hold this.
Sure.
They ride. Over
No,
the
you
basketball.
You can't ride
We were
on
just,
grass.
he was just putting it in the shade, hon.
It's sunny out here.
It is. Very sunny. Mhm. That way we put it in the shade so it doesn't get hot.
It is hot. It is hot.
Yeah, because it's out in the sun. It's metal.
Can you ride on it?
No, you'll fall down the hill. We're on an incline.
Can you ride on the basketball?
Sure. Do you want to ride again?
It's right over there.
It's too bright over there.
I'm sorry, hon.
Okay.
Let's walk in the forest. Come on.
Okay.
Come on, Mommy.
You can try to pull up your pants. Pull up your jeans.